Hi guys, it's your friend Ballistic B here for a rapid review of the Holystone HS720 drone. So first, the pros. 4K camera rotating 90 degrees, 26 minutes of flight time on one battery, brushless motors, a foldable design, 4 ventral lights that help to act as indicators for how it's functioning, including an additional landing spotlight that you can turn off and on. It has return to home, follow me, point of interest, auto takeoff and landing features, and all of that for $289. And did I mention it is durable? After 6 crashes, this is the current state with the original rotors, and it still works perfectly. But it does come with a few cons. First, the transmitter range is only about 600 feet at worst in an open field, which is about 2 football fields in distance. Also, it doesn't come with all the components you need to charge the battery. It comes with 2 LiPo batteries, the connector, the power regulator, and a USB plug-in, but nothing to plug it into the wall. Now you can use an iPhone charging brick, which puts out 5 volts and 1 amp, but they recommend that you buy one that puts out 5 volts and 2 amps so that you can maintain the minimum charging time of 5 hours. If you use the iPhone charging brick, it's going to be much longer. You can purchase one of these for about $8. All right, guys, I'm out. Drop a like and subscribe for more content on RCs, gaming, and don't forget to check us out on Twitter. Be safe, be fun, and believe.